Bacteria are everywhere. In the food industry, hygiene controls are required to ensure that no harmful bacteria such as Listeria or Salmonella can get into the food we eat. However, tests for bacterial contamination are often done in external laboratories, so it can take days to obtain results. Nemis Technologies is developing a range of innovative diagnostic kits that deliver reliable and fast results in just one day. As Nemis instruments are portable and safe, the diagnostic tests can be performed directly on site by anyone. A sample from a production surface is taken with a swab, placed into a tube, and closed with a tightly sealed biosafety cap. The tube is pre-filled with an enrichment broth that enables growth of the target bacteria within just a few hours. The cap contains the patented AquaSpark detection tablet. Pressing the top of the cap will release the tablet into the enrichment broth. If the targeted bacteria are present, their enzymes will react with the AquaSpark substrate to generate a very bright luminescent light that is measured by a high-sensitivity luminometer. Thanks to its unique technology platform, Nemis diagnostic solutions can be adapted to detect a wide range of pathogenic bacteria and can therefore help to mitigate many critical health risks. Visit nemistech.com to learn more about this groundbreaking technology.